What we're going to do in this video is go over how to connect this Square Online shop, which is a demo shop, to MetaCommerce. The first thing we're going to do is go into Square, we'll log in, we'll go to channels. Now this menu item changes periodically, but what we want to see is this, let's see, Meta for Business right here with the connect, because this is what we want to connect. It's an online sales channel and it's the Meta for Business sales channel. And we'll click connect right here. It tells us what it's going to do. We'll just click continue. We will click agree. We can enable pixel tracking if we want to, but we do not have to. We'll continue. Let's see. If we experience this, we can do, we'll see if it wants us to enable that. We'll always refresh in case if we have an issue, because sometimes it's just a cookie problem and not actually an application problem. All right, let's try this again. We'll click continue, click agree. We will click continue again. And it's happy now, perfect. Now we're going to select the website that we want. And in this case, we want this Appaloosa Premium site. That's perfect. We're going to click continue. And then we will click continue as the account, or we can switch the account if needed. Get started. We can select or create a new business portfolio. We will select this one. We will select a Facebook page. We will select a catalog. If we have one, we can also create a new catalog. Let's go ahead and create a new catalog. Test catalog. We'll click next. That will create our catalog, perfect, and select it. We'll click next. We will select an ad account. We can create a new one, of course, if needed. And the steps for creating new options are quite straightforward, and there's many tutorials online about how to do that. We just want to get a high-level overview of how this works. We can enable advanced matching. We'll click continue. We will leave all of our permissions on. Now this is asking what Square is allowed to do. They need to be able to manage products, business, extension, ads. We can turn these on or off. They're not required, but I'm going to leave them all on, and then it will link up our account. It shouldn't take very long, but it does say it may take a few minutes. Perfect. We will click done. We are ready to create an ad. And that takes us back to Square. And we should see the channel set up. It'll retrieve all our information. And then we will need to make sure that we have products set to sync into the Meta Business channel. Now we're going to click done. Okay. It says syncing items. Very good. Now the way that we manage the items is we go to items and services, items, item library. And then we go to a given item and we select this channel. I'm going to find the zip up jacket, I believe. There's a, yes, the Crosstrek zip fleece. We'll look at that, make sure it's enabled for the location we want, make sure it's enabled for the sales channel we want. We will open up we will open up premium site. We're going to turn that on. Also turn on Meta for Business, and that will sync it to MetaCommerce. We'll save that. Now that will sync that item into Facebook.